I stop here and I'm showing you guys top best Jailbreak tweaks for iOS 11 up to iOS 15. So hopefully some of these do support iOS 16 as well. The first two gets called Track Up GUI. It's a safe and fast GUI utility for built-in debs and backing up. So this does support iOS 14 and 16. So it's a pain when you download some cool tweak a long time ago, but mess up a repo, or you miss its repo, or repo is not inactive. So this allows you to pretty much save the tweak. Which is already installed on your device. The problem is that to solve multiple utilities like Batchmatic, Redeb, and some others, Track Up is not exclusive. So this allows you to view all packages and packages that are not dependencies of others. They are named leaves, like in Homebrew product, you can build them back to debs by single or multiple. There's some multiple versions of them. Compression type contains also editable. We build debs or gzip or zstd archive. For example, I rebuilt deb has been shared or removed from the storage. You can also support the list of leaves packages to share with your friends. So it supports iOS 14 later. It has possibly support to list jailbreaks like XinaA, and I'm not sure about the rebuild deb's validity. So yeah, it's open source on GitHub, and you guys could update this if you guys are a developer. But yeah, pretty cool. We just had a regular Track Up. We have Track Up CLI, supports iOS 16 all devices. It's an open source project, and if find leaves, Homebrew, and macOS and Linux, we build them back to .debs. Next we have is called WhatsApp Reveal, and many features of the WhatsApp application. Supports iOS 9 to 16.x, and you have all these cool features for WhatsApp. So you guys can see all the cool features you guys have for WhatsApp. We have is called Crane, and this was updated to support iOS 11 to 15.7.1. I thought I had an update page for you guys for Crane. I guess not. Maybe I'll find it later. Alright, but pretty much what this tweak allows you to do, it's multiple containers for the application, so pretty much allows you to like account switch and keep your data and all that cool stuff, and even notification support as well. Backup manager, slices import, separate system accounts and game center accounts, activate a shortcut, choice integration. So it tells you set container specific tweak configuration. So pretty much it's pretty cool. What this allows you to do is allows you to like pretty much to change like containers for all your applications or games. So like it allows you to pretty much have like multiple like accounts or like multiple progresses in certain games. So I could have like, let's say if I did Clash Royale, before the feature where you can switch accounts, you can have like multiple accounts, you know. So that's the main reason. We can have like an account where you finish a game, or account where you're starting progress, then you can start a new account. So you got two different accounts going on at once, and you can easily just switch between them instead of like having to sign out, sign back in. And I think also like switch game centers and all that, or that might not be affected. So yeah, and we also have Crane Lite, same thing. It's just the light version. So if you guys want to try it out, you'll one slice at a time, which means you only do one application at a time for Crane Lite. If you guys do want the full version, like I said, one application at a time. If you want to do unlimited applications at a time, you just have to buy the Crane, which I think is like a couple dollars only. It's called double cut and double tap, triple tap, long press key to insert arbitrary text. And that's what's called Slice Fits Up. Last week is Slice Fits Up. So ARM64E ABI was changed, iOS 14, Xcode 11, and therefore many ARM64E DYLB compiled with Xcode 12 or newer does not support ARM64E devices when iOS 13 or lower. The old ABI was upwards compatible so long for the longest time. People were just compiling their .dylibs in Xcode 11. So this changed iOS 15. Now there's no issues. There's now issues with loading of the old ABI slices into new ABI processes. So, for example, Crane support. And you guys read more about it. So this week is a tool that, based on the iOS version that's running on, removes the incompatible ARM64E slice, so that the outcome of DYLB that only has the supported since it is in. So that everything works fine. It's supposed to be called the post inst on all the .dylibs and require this fits. It does not. It does this by only removing the slice from the fat header, so the actual slice is still in the binary. DYLD just does not find it. So before you guys install this tool, you guys need to set up the _package.sh to have the both of Xcode 11 and Xcode 12 plus slices in DYLBS. There's no tweets or no options to configure. It's a developer package. But guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.